Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I am going to make some pizza dough. That's right, pizza dough. For you who are going, oh, Frankie, what's the matter with you? You ain't made 2 pizza videos. But I make pizza videos. This is for pizza dough. And it's for my man on Instagram, Live to Barbecue. That's live_to_barbecue. This one's for you here on Cooking Frankie Meatball.
Hey y'all, it's Mary Catherine Carlisle from season 2 of Worst Bakers in America.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Chris Scott from Worst Bakers America season 2, and you are watching Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Frankie Meatball Rub, barbecue rub. You could put it on your fish. You could put it on your chicken. I put this on my ribs. You guys see me put it on my chicken wings. You see me put it in my barbecue sauce, the mop. You guys see me put it in my buffalo sauce. But anyway, we're not barbecuing today, but this is for my barbecue friend. This is going to be a nice pizza dough recipe. Very important, guys. Get your kitchen spray. I know everybody's got the spray, right? Spray the bowl. Spray the bowl, okay? And spray your hook. Spray your dough hook, okay? Make sure you get yourself a rubber spatula. Where's the spray? Hey, there she goes. All right? You spray your rubber spat. I'll show you why in a second. Or as this video progresses. Okay? So now what you want to do is you get a quarter cup of sugar. Okay? Drop that in there. Boom. A teaspoon of salt. Get 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Do not use extra virgin olive oil. Don't say, hey, you know, I'm going to do a Rachel Ray EVO. No, EVO. You need regular olive oil, okay? You want 2 whole eggs. You could put the 3rd egg in. You could use the yolk. I'm going to use the yolk. Then you get your fork and you mix. You just stir it together like scrambled eggs. See that? Now, this is optional, guys. I like putting say about a half a teaspoon of garlic. Give it up for Joshy Franco, the film guy, the man behind the camera. See, the guys that are behind the camera, they really don't get no props. They don't get none of the good stuff. But I'll tell you what, if it wasn't for this guy, you won't be seeing me right now. Gabish? So, let's get back to the pizza. You want to get yourself some fresh baker's yeast, okay? Go to your bakery, ask them, say, hey, Frankie Meatball sent me. I'm going to make some pizza. I need some fresh baker's yeast, okay? So, what I usually do, how I measure it out, you want to pretty much about an ounce. The best way I do it is I make a little ball. When it looks like a little super ball, you know, the little bouncy balls you get in the bubblegum machines, then I know it's good to go. Okay? So, there's your bouncy ball. So, we got all this mixed up, right? We put our garlic in, and the garlic is optional, okay? And this isn't optional. I always cook with wine. Sometimes I put it in the food. But anyway, one other ingredient I forgot to tell you is Mach 22 and Philly Rock Radio. If you're not cooking with Mach 22 or Philly Rock Radio, then you're not cooking. Gabish? So anyway, you want some hot water to touch, okay? See, that's nice and hot, not too hot. You don't want it too hot, because if it's too hot, it will kill your yeast, okay? So you got 1 cup of water, hot to touch, okay? And then you got your super bowl or your bouncy bowl, or whatever you call it, from the bubblegum machine. And then you just break it up in the hot water. So then you get your fork, and you just, like you're scrambling eggs, right? Just dissolve that. Now that your yeast is dissolved, look at that color, see? That's what you want. And just pour it into your mixture. Close your mixer again and put it on stir. Let that mix for about a minute or so, right? Let it all come together. Then you want to add 2 more cups of warm water. Not hot, not cold, but warm. Yeah. So we got 1. We got 2. For those of you get your flour at the supermarket, you want to use Pillsbury, okay? You want to use Pillsbury unbleached or any kind of unbleached flour as long as it's high in gluten. High in gluten is the key for a good pizza dough, okay? I got here gold medal General Mills pizza flour that I get from a restaurant store. So now we got that mixing. I'm gonna put some flour in. See, now there's no really measurement I use for my flour, okay? I just add the flour in until I get it to a pizza dough consistency. You wanna put a couple scoops in, let them mix. You wanna let them mix good, right? And then add more. Now, a little at a time, guys. Now, there's no rush. Like, there's no rush to paint the Mona Lisa. There's no rush to build the pyramids. You know what I'm saying? So there's no rush to make the perfect pizza dough. Alright, so that's nice and smooth, so we're gonna add more in. See, you know what pizza dough should look like, right? So you're gonna see this come together, right? You want to see it come together. Again, you want to use an unbleached flour, something that's high in gluten. You could use Pillsbury unbleached. If you can get King Arthur flour unbleached, that's good to use also. So we're going to let that mix up and we're going to add some more in. Because you know, I would give you a measurement, but see, I go for the look, the eye. You gotta have the eye. You gotta have the eye. You gotta have the eye. See, you wanna do like you wanna watch. You see, just watch. So we're gonna add some more flour in, right? Now you're looking for a nice dough consistency. When it starts to get like nice and nice, we're gonna take that out and we're gonna knead it. Cause who needs dough? Everybody needs dough. Hey, how about the Three Stooges, right? Does the deer have any dough? Yeah. How much? $2. That kills me every time I think about it, you know? Hey, if you don't like the Three Stooges, then you don't like to laugh, eh? So I'm going to add just a little more in, and then I'm going to take her out. Alright, now when it gets like that, you want to shut it off, okay? Remember we sprayed the rubber spat? This is why we sprayed it. You're going to take all the dough off. Look, see that consistency? Look at that dough. Look at that. See that? That's almost ready. I'm going to take that off, right? So, flour up your work area because we're going to need the dough. And get your rubber spat, see that? You want to get that out there and then get all that goodness. See that? That's perfect. Look at it. Look at this dough, guys. Come on. You can't get no better than that. You know what I'm saying? Guys, this recipe, if you're making 16-inch pies, you'll get 4 out of it. If you're making 10-inch pies, you'll get 5 out of it. You put some in there, look, remember how to knead what we did, right? You'll bring it up, fold, boom, in and out. See that? Boom. See that? Boom. See that? Boom. You want to when you knead the dough, you're activating it. You're activating the flour. Look at that. Yes. And you could feel it as you knead it. you can feel it getting more tough. You can feel it getting more firm as you need it, because you're activating it. Now, I bought myself a nice little toy, guys. So, I mean, I'm serious about this pizza stuff, guys. Boom. So, I know you guys probably don't have this, right? Unless you're a pizza shop and you got it. Alright? But if you don't got this, you got a half sheet pan or any kind of sheet pan. That's what you want to get, okay? You want to get a sheet pan, spray like I just sprayed this, right? Now we're going to make dough balls, okay? You got your dough. You get your dough in a kind of like oval shape. Alright? Alright? You get your dough cutter or whatever you got, your knife, your what, okay? So look, we're going to cut this into fours. But first we're going to cut this like that, okay? Grab the dough, put it in some flour, make a bowl out of it, okay? Look at that, see it? Boom, look at that. See, the reason why when your dough is going to rise, you want to make a bowl out of it, so when it rises and is ready to roll out, it's already circled like a pizza. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my spray. I'm going to spray on top. I'm going to get my cover. And I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it for 2 hours. I mean, you watch these videos, hey, let it stay for 24 hours. Let it stay overnight. Nah. I'll tell you what, my friend, I've been making pizza for years. I'll tell you what, 2 hours, you let it stay, boom, bang, bing, 2 hours is good enough. You let it rise, and you roll out your pizza, and your friends will be like, oh my God, this is the best pizza I ever had. Follow this recipe, guys. I'm telling you, I'll see you back here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball in 2 hours. All right, it's been about 2 hours, right? I put some flour down over here. I'm going to get my dough, my little container, right? So I'm going to grab my container, I'm going to bring it over here. Now look at that beautiful dough. Look how big it got, huh? Look how big that dough got, huh? Now I'm going to show you something, okay? I'm going to... See that? I'm going to put the flour around. I'm going to show you how to roll out a nice pizza pie. You're going to keep it round. You want to keep it round, okay? You're going to get some more flour around here. Look at that. All right? Get it? Boom. All right? Keep it round, guys. Keep it round. Make it nice and round, huh? And then we're going to cover the rest up. And we're going to get it out of our way, okay? Grab some flour, throw some flour on top, okay? Get it nice and round. Start from the middle, guys, okay? See, grab your fingers like this. Start from the middle and spread out like that first, okay? Then after you spread this way, you want to push out to the top, okay? Now you want to grab it, turn it around, start from the center, and push out to the top, okay? You want to leave the crust. Turn around and do the same thing. Okay? Turn around and do the same thing. After you did a 360, flip it over. Okay? And then, there we go. Look, see that? Push it to the top. Now, grab your fingers, spread out. Boom. Turn. Look at that. Walk your fingers around, spread it. Boom. See that? Walk your fingers around, spread it. Boom. See that? Okay? Look at that. Spread it. Spread it. See that? You keep your crust. See? You're moving everything to the end. Your crust is going to blow up. It's going to be beautiful. Nice and nice. Look at that, huh? How was that? Is that nice or what, guys? See that? And then like you stretch. See that? Boom. And whatever you got your screen. You make sure you get your screen. Whatever you do, Frankie Meatball loves the screen. If it's getting sticky on top, look, throw some flour on it, okay? And boom. See that? Look at that. You grab your screen, right? Real quick, flip, boom. See that? Then you just boom. You just pull it out like that, huh? Look at that, guys, huh? Nice thick crust around. I'm telling you guys, look at that, huh? Boom. What do you guys think, huh? Is that a piece of the action? Huh? Piece of the action, huh? Check them out on 5th and South, Philly Taco, one stop. Hey, alright guys, take a look at this, huh? You got the recipe, you got what you gotta do. You can decorate it any way you want. You can put sauce on it, cheese, pepperoni, fresh tomatoes, mushrooms. The possibilities are endless. I'd like to introduce to you my friend, his son, Carmen Bruno, and Little Sal. Guys, say hello to everybody out there.
I want to wish Frankie Meatball a happy birthday today. We're celebrating.
Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and turn it over to Mini Meatball.
If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified when a new video comes out every birthday. And don't forget, check out PhillyRockRadio.com.
Mothers around.
Please play my favorite, Mark 22, Fat Rod, Ozzy Osbourne, Twisted Sister, and lots more others.
That's right, guys. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit and like and subscribe. And most important, share this pizza recipe on your Facebook, share it on your social media, and tell them Frankie Meatball sent you. Hey, everybody. I think we should tell them, huh? Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.